If I've already started an instructor pace or student pace module and I close out of the window, I can log into Pear Deck and see how active my session is. So if I went to peardeck.com and logged in with my center username and password, up in the left-hand corner is Sessions. And when I click on Sessions, it will show me the different modules I have. So the one I'm currently looking at is a student pace module, and I can see I created it with Google Slides. If I click on these three dots here, this will allow me to turn off the student pace. I can end the session. I can also rename it because right now there is no name. So if I hit name the session, I can go ahead and give it a name. If I wanted to see the different modes or see how many students I had active in my self-paced mode, I can click on this middle icon right here, which will launch the teacher dashboard. The other icon will actually do the classroom view where you can actually do instructor pace mode. But I would like to do the teacher dashboard view. And by doing that, it launches all of my slides are listed on the left. If I look in the upper right, I have 0 of 5 students, so no one is currently in the session. But if I click on it, I can see my students that have logged in, and if they were currently online, it would say online, and if they were offline, it would say offline. I can also look at my slides on the left, and anywhere that there's a green bar tells me that that was a Pear Deck question slide. So if I wanted to click on it, I can see the students' individual answers. I can also scroll and look at my other slides here. Now, I know that my students have already, all my students have already completed this. So if I wanted to end the session, I can click end and then say, yes, I'm sure. And once I do that, I'll be able to obtain a spreadsheet that would have all their answers as well.